So here is CSS Basics Day 1 Introduction and Setting Up Your Environment. Hello CSS enthusiasts, welcome back to Day 1 of our 100 Day CSS series on Kredict. I am Krishna Sharma and I am thrilled to be your guide on this exciting journey into the world of cascading style sheets. Whether you are a coding novice or a seasoned developer, this series is crafted to take you from basics to master CSS in just 100 days. Today we will start with a quick introduction and set up our development environment. So just overview, cascading style sheet or CSS is the language that brings life to our web pages. It's the artistic side of our web development, allowing us to control the layout, colors and overall aesthetics of our HTML documents. By the end of this series, you will be creating visually stunning responsive design with confidence. So I hope you understand. So let's setting up your environment. Before we dive into the coding magic, let's make sure you are all set up. My preferred tool is Visual Studio Code. It's a fantastic code editor that's lightweight, powerful, perfect for web development. If you haven't already, head over to this website and go and just download and install it for your respective operating system. It's free and works on Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. So just go to this website and download and install Visual Studio Code for your operating system. So here we will create our first HTML file. Just copy this and we will make our first HTML file with the name index.html with an extension for this. We will just paste here. So in the HTML we have a doc type HTML, language English, and in the head tag we use some meta tags and title my first CSS page, and we will linking our styles.css. So for this I will hover it and follow the link and I will create this file. So you can see this here we create this file. So in the body whatever we write it will render on our web page. Here in the h1 tag we write hello css, and paragraph tag this is my first styled web page exciting right. So just see this on our web browser. So just go live here and you can see this hello css is printing and this is my first styled web page exciting right. So I hope you understand this. So next is creating your first CSS styles. Now let's take a look at our first CSS file. Create a new file in same directory as your HTML file and name it styles CSS. So I have already made this styles.css. So in the styles.css first we give first name of the tag. So our tag is body. So just give the name of the tag and some properties. Just copy this part. So here we have the tag body with this braces, and here we want to change the background color of body. So we will write background color and some color. So like if I write black, and font family is how your font will cover. So font family is Arial and sans serif. So we will just comment this first. So you can see this my body background color will 100, oh sorry, black. So you can see this the body will all black in the web browser. So if I hover it and change the color of body, you can see this here the body color will change. I hope you understand this part. So this is our body color now. So here we have a h1 tag with hello css. You can see this is h1 tag. If I want to style this, so just here we want to change the color of text. So you can see this color and this color we are going to give. So you can see this, the text color is changed. So if I want to give a background color to this, so just write background color and change the background color with this Alice blue. You can see this, the background color is also changed. So just move to next. This is paragraph tag. So in the paragraph tag we have already writing something. So if I want to change the color of them and the font size of them, so here we are giving the font size 18 pixel and color this. I hope you get this. So here you can see this, here the color of and font size is also changed. So if I give 118, so font size is very big now. I hope you understand this. So save the file and link it to your HTML. Now have you refresh your browser, you will see our humble web page transform in our background. Get this? This is our CSS power on HTML. And there you have it. Day 1 is in the book. Tomorrow we will delve into the nitty-gritty of CSS, syntax and selectors. Don't forget to subscribe to Kredict to stay updated on our daily. Have questions or specific topics you want us to cover? Drop a comment below. Happy coding and I will see you in the next one.